A very good wet morning in George today. This is Gary West from CAW Auto Centre. I was just driving now. Well, first of all, I woke up this morning and I'll show you an image of what happened to my house. And I believe I'm not the only one in George at the moment that's had a problem with the flooding and the houses being flooded and etc. I've seen a lot of damage on the roads and everything, and in my panic I woke up this morning, put my feet into water, and I just shouted, we babe, the house is flooded. So yeah, that was a nice awakening. Got outside, started with brooms and everything, and tried to clean the house up and get as much sorted out as possible. But obviously in your own situation, you don't really think about anything else that's going on inside George or around the areas or anybody else that's been harmed as well. So anyway, managed to clean up, got it to a manageable place. I've got 2 kids or 3 kids and an that stays with me, Uncle Tinas, myself and my wife. So there's 6 of us in the house, but with the 2 kids running around was a bit challenging. Nevertheless, managed to get it under management, which is my wife and Sarika, and she got it all under wraps, and got in my car, drove to work, found out the workshop is a little bit flooded as well, so henceforth I'm now at home, and there's a reason behind that. Got to work, and Shane, one of the guys, said also his house, he's in the location there in Puckelsdorp, and he said to me that his house is also flooded. His wife's just had a baby. He's got 5 kids, I think. Nevertheless, I said to him, listen, but it's fine, just go home. Let's see if we can help, see if we can assist your wife. So yeah, I then started to think to myself, well, I'm not the only one. And then I started to drive back on the road, and I saw pictures of by the airport, George Airport, plane misjudged the runway or something, but it's going across the road. The plane has actually crashed across the road of the airport or off the airstrip. And then I think about all the vehicles and all the damage and the houses, and you know and I really sit there and think to myself, sure. My heart goes out, you know, yeah, it just made me think about everyone's assets and their vehicles and the safety of their vehicles, and you know, the trouble that they could be getting. So I thought I'd just bring it out there, or put my face behind the camera here, and I've got a little ring light, and I'm not really into this whole thing, but I thought I'd just put it out. For the sake of transparency with CAW Auto Centre. I'm working on a few things to try and bring transparency to our shop, where we'll do a lot more video footage and content creation of CAW Auto Centre, so a bit of behind the scenes and how we get there and how the do's and the don'ts, you know, and all that kind of jazz. But back to the situation at hand. The weather is, look, it's a blessing. This weather is a blessing. In midst of troubles, you need to find those good things, those things to hold on to keep you going, those positive things, proactive things. So you always look at the light. In dark, there's always light. It doesn't matter where you go, how dark the situation is, there will always be light. And it just takes your mindset to shift and find that light and turn it around in your favor. So back to the vehicle side of things, I'm expecting more than a few calls tomorrow, possibly with auto electrical problems or engine mechanical problems, or damage to vehicles. Give us a bell. You know, phone us up, ring us up. I'll put the number on the bottom here of the screen. It's 044 011 0387. It's CAW Auto Centre. You can speak to Marilyn or Hanneli. They're handling the shop. Well, not at this stage. The shop we actually closed for today, just so that all the staff can go and sort out their problems that they have at home with the flooding and, you know, damages and things like that. So yeah, this is just a little reach out to the general public of George, that we are thinking about you. We hold this as a blessing with all the rain that we've had, and it's not a curse. Your situation right now could be rather bleak because of the rain and the damage and everything, but don't lose hope. Always look for the positive outcome and be thankful that we've got this much rain at the moment. So yeah, CAW Auto Centre, we're here for you. We stand behind you. We appreciate your support. And general George area, we are looking at really assisting and giving you the best service we possibly can. We do imported or quality used imported engines and gearboxes. We do minor and major services and repairs of vehicles. We don't do panels or body work or anything like that, but we do auto electrical, and we go the extra mile. You'll find that, or you can look at our reviews and everything as well on our Facebook page. Our website is www.cawautocentre.co.za, and that's centre with a TRE at the end, not TER. Or give me a ring, 078-776-6685. Or if you want to send an email, info@cawautocentre.co.za. Thank you for your time. Be blessed, be safe, and we look forward to meeting with new potential prospects or customers. And give us a ring if you're needing an engine or a gearbox. Give us a ring. I've partnered with LDR in Cape Town and also in Pretoria, and we are trading at exactly the same price as LDR. And I believe that it's a good thing that we have something like this in George and the surrounding areas. Going forward, we're still here, we are surviving, and yeah, I look forward to meeting new customers, new faces, and introducing you into a whole new perspective of how the service and repair industry should be. Yeah, give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Share it with your family or friends, and I look forward to welcoming you into CAW Centre. Thank you. Cheers for now. Bye bye.